In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the brightness control function keys not working in Windows 11. They may be not working properly for you or not functioning on your computer. And things get tricky if this key does not work anymore or has stopped functioning. In such cases, you may need to take a few steps in order to fix the brightness function key is not working on your Windows PC. This should be a quick process video. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. First thing I recommend you to do is to find a different function key. Perhaps you're supposed to be using a different function key on your computer and you might be clicking in the wrong key, or you might be having a mechanical issue with the keys. And in this case, I suggest you to reach out to your tech company that you either purchased a laptop from or your local shop. In this video, I'm going to cover software fixes, and I won't dive about replacing keys on your keyboard. Now just go ahead to your search menu and just go ahead, type in updates. The best result, go ahead, open the app. And now this window will pop up. And first thing I recommend to do is to install all the updates you might be having here, or click on check updates and then install them all. Or just scroll down, click on advanced options and then scroll down again. Click on optional updates and you will see here any Windows updates or driver updates. You may need to download and install. And now after you do that, just go ahead to the search menu again and type in Device Manager. The first result, as you can see, just go ahead, open the app. And after that, this window will pop up for you, as you can see. This is the Device Manager tab. Just go ahead, close the old one, and now just go to Display Adapters, click on the arrow. And after that, just right-click on any display adapters you see here and click on Update Driver. Now after you click that, this window will pop up. Click on Browse My Computer for drivers and click Let Me Pick. And now just select your driver, as you can see now, and click Next. And after that, the device driver will be updated. And after you do that, just go ahead, restart your computer for changes to take place. And this was how to fix brightness control function keys not working on Windows 11. Hopefully this will resolve your problem. This was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.